Hi everyone, welcome to a special episode of Healing the Animals. We have a magpie on my friend Jennifer's porch, and I'm just going to be showing you how it reacts to how sensitive animals are to energy. So I have my tools with me, so Jennifer's going to take over.
Sorry.
Okay, so yeah, just keep it close. So I'm just going to use my extractor here and just send energy, being careful of its heart, so I have to make sure I don't injure it. So it's just resting right now and it's quiet and it's all calm, so you'll just be seeing it moving around a little bit when it sees or feels the energy coming to it. It's the wind and it's really quiet now. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you get a closer shot? Yeah, if you can just come a little over, like see it from my angle. So it had its head tucked in earlier and now it's like took its head out and it's just wondering what's going on. I think it's okay with me now because before it was looking at me like what are you doing?
Yeah. You know, so he's safe maybe.
Yeah, what this bird did was it came right to the door, you said, and it knocked on the glass?
Yeah, it was knocking on the glass.
Yeah, and
we were watching it for a while, and then Lex opened the door and
yeah, her little boy. Yeah.
he just kind of stuck around.
Yeah, he came into her dill pot here of her herbs and didn't want to leave since, so I think this bird knew that there's two healers present. And usually these birds, they're called magpies. They're very long, they have long tails, and let's see, it's moving. They're very loud, and they get larger than this size, so this is like a little wee one. Still probably in its adolescence or something.
I think so.
Yeah. So it's trusting me now. It's okay with what I'm doing, and I'm just using a rose quartz, kind of going light, and just sending it energy. Oh, here it goes again. So animals are really sensitive to these energy healings. This is what this bird is teaching me. Okay, I'll go light. I have a sense that the area right above his tail is injured. So whenever I focus my intent in that area, it kind of starts to get agitated. So I just kind of go a little bit above it and not send it too much. But it's been trusting me and it's really calming down, and I'm honored that it came here.
Me too.
Yeah, it's really nice. Wow.
I'm expecting it to just fly away now.
No, yeah.
Looks like he has more energy all of a sudden.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay.
Oop.
Wow.
I just don't want to be right in front of it if he has an idea of trying to
Escape,
go forward.
really. Yeah, yeah. No,
Did I press it? Okay.
yeah, it's just, resting. So here it is closer. Our little buddy here, he is not afraid of us. Like, he's just chill. Very trusting, very calm. Knows he's with healers. We're here to help you, little guy. And thank you for letting us film you, too. So if you want to just hold it just a little bit here. Yeah. So what I'm doing now, I'm sending energy to that area that I kind of have a sense that it's hurting from. He's being a little bit more active than earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then just stabilizing it.
Wow.
I don't know what happened, but I was getting this like information from him or her. It was a car, and when a car drove by, like it was sleeping, and then as soon as it heard the sound of a car, it just kind of like got up and looked at it. Yeah. So I think he had an injury from a car, maybe.
Yeah.
Like it might have startled them or something.
Yeah.
Okay. He's very trusting. Like. I like using the rose quartz because it's, like sending heart, love energy, very calm. So I would use this for children. So I thought when I was downstairs, which crystal should I pick? And the rose quartz, like, I'll help. I'm like, okay.
Nice.
Yeah. So I'll just stay here and work on them for a while. And,
Okay.
yeah, and then that's it.
We'll come and check on it.
Later on.
Yeah.
Thank you. So sending you all blessings, and thank you for viewing this, and thank you to my friend Jennifer for filming it. It's really wonderful to be able to help this little creature, and we'll be sending him healing energy, and please do the same as well. This little magpie, he's so beautiful. And get better, little guy. Hope you can be out there flying with your friends pretty soon. Okay, bye.